वेलकम टू JKPSC टॉपर्स। ये हमारा सेकंड मॉक रहने वाला है JKS प्रीलिम्स का, जो 23 फरवरी होने वाला है। आज हम क्वेश्चन 6 से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। 5 क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी किए हैं। तो आज का हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। जैनिज्म इन एंशिएंट इंडिया कंडेम्ड द वर्ना सिस्टम। Jain religious literature was written in Arad Magadhi. Mahavira admitted women into the order of his followers. Which of these statements are correct? 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 only, 3 only, 2 and 3 only. हमारे पास 5-6 सेकंड्स है। 6 सेकंड्स में हम आंसर दे सकते हैं। तो इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो है डी, 2 and 3 only. Jain religious literature was written in Arad Magadhi and Mahavira admitted women into order of his followers. तो इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देखेंगे। इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है, स्टेटमेंट 1 है इनकरेक्ट। Jainism as a religion did not specifically condemn the Varna system in ancient India, but it did reject the notion of caste hierarchy and emphasized the importance of individual merit over birth stats. The Varna system was an ancient Indian social structure that divided people into 4 broad categories, Varnas, based on their occupation and birth. According to this system, Brahmanis, priests and scholars occupied the highest position, followed by Kshatriyas, warriors and rulers, Vaishyas, merchants and traders, Shudras, laborers and servants. Outside the system was the Dalits, also called untouchables, who were considered to be outside the Varna hierarchy altogether. Statement 2 is correct. Arad Magadhi was one of the Prakrit languages that were used extensively in Jain literature, including Jain Agamas, which were considered to be the primary texts of Jainism. Arad Magadhi was the language of choice for Jain scholars and monks for many centuries, and it was used to write some of the most important texts of the Jain tradition, including the Akaranga Sutra, Kalpa Sutra, and Uttara Dhyana Sutra. Arad Magadhi was also used to write commentaries and other works of Jain philosophy, ethics, making it an important language for the Jain community. Today, while Arad Magadhi is no longer spoken as a living language, it remains an important of the literary and religious heritage of India, especially for Jains who consider it to be one of the sacred languages of their tradition. Statement 3 is correct. Mahavira, founder of Jainism, admitted women into the order of his followers. In fact, Mahavira's teachings emphasized the importance of equality and non-discrimination, and he encouraged both men and women to seek enlightenment and join the ascetic order. Mahavira is believed to have founded the first Jain monastic order. It was open to both men and women. The Jain monastic community, also known as Jain Sangha, played an important role in spreading the teachings of Jainism and preserving its traditions. Mahavira himself had many female followers, including his own mother, who became one of the first Jain nuns. The Jain tradition also recognizes a number of female Jain ascetics and scholars who have made significant contributions to the religion throughout its history. Question number 7. Which of the following statements are major items of export from Indus Valley Civilization? जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन थी, उसमें जो मेजर आइटम्स थे एक्सपोर्ट के लिए, वो कौन कौन से थे? Conch shells, copper, cotton. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 1 only, 2 and 3 only, all of the above. हमारे पास 6 सेकंड्स है आंसर देने के लिए। इसका जो आंसर है वो है सी, यानी 2 and 3 कॉपर एंड कॉटन सिर्फ मेजर एक्सपोर्ट थी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन की। अब इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देखने वाले हैं। कॉपर एंड कॉटन वर इंडीड मेजर items of export from the Indus Valley civilization, but conch shells were not a major item of export. The Indus Valley civilization had a well-developed trade network, and it traded a wide range of materials such as textiles, including cotton, metals like copper, beads, pottery, and precious stones within and outside the region. Copper was one of the primary metals used but by the Indus Valley civilization, and it was used for making tools, ornaments, and weapons. However, while conch shells were found at various sites of Indus Valley civilization, they were not major item of export. Primary items of export were textiles, including cotton and other luxury goods such as beds, pottery, and precious stones. Question number 8. Who among the following advocated the separation of religion from politics in India? Alauddin Khilji, Jalaluddin Khilji, Balban, Qutbuddin Aibak. इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। Alauddin Khilji ascended the throne in the year 1296 AD and ruled 1316 AD. He was the first Turkish Sultan in Delhi who separated religion from politics, since according to him, kingship known kingship, ये उसी का एक कोटेशन है, kingship known no kingship. He was known for his reforms in various areas of administration apart from his imperialism. Question number 9. Which of the following were authored by Raja Ram Mohan Rai? Vedanta, Tuhfatul Muhawwidin, Sambad Kaumudi, Brahma Sangeet. Select the answer using the codes given below. 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4. इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ए, यानी 1, 2 and 3। इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देखने वाले हैं। Among his notable works, जो इसकी नायाब वर्क्स हैं, वेदांता 1815 में लिखी है, तोहफतुल मुहव्वदिन जिसे ए गिफ्ट टू मोनोफिज भी कहते हैं 1803 में, डिफेंस ऑफ हिंदू थीइज्म 1820 में, परसेप्ट्स ऑफ जीसस द गाइड टू पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस 1820 में, संबत कौमदी 1829, शमसद कुमदी एंड ब्रह्मा संगीत वर नॉट अमंग द वर्क्स ऑफ राजा राम मोहन राय। जो ब्रह्मा संगीत है यहाँ पर वो उसकी किताब नहीं थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, आज का हमारा जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहने वाला है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेवलपमेंट्स हैपेंड बिफोर 1857 रिवोल्ट। 1857 रिवोल्ट से पहले कौन सी डेवलपमेंट्स हुई थी इनमें? फर्स्ट ट्रेन वाज स्टीम ऑफ फ्रॉम मुंबई टू थाने, पंचायती राज सिस्टम वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, Widow Remarriage Act was enacted. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. इसका जो सही आंसर है, आपको पता है कि फर्स्ट ट्रेन इंडिया में जो चली मुंबई टू थाने ये 1853 में चली, तो इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देखने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट ट्रेन टू run in India was on April 16, 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ठीक है। सेकंड, पंचायती राज सिस्टम वाज इस्टेब्लिश्ड, तो पंचायती राज आपको मालूम होगा 1857 में नहीं इस्टेब्लिश किया गया, ये इसके बाद यानी सेकंड स्टेटमेंट द कमिटी वाज अपॉइंटेड 1957, तो सेकंड रॉन्ग है। जब सेकंड रॉन्ग होगी तो ये वाला नहीं आ सकता, ये वाला भी नहीं आ सकता, ये वाला भी नहीं आ सकता। इसका तो सही आंसर आएगा 1 and 3, यानी विडो रीमैरिज एक्ट। अब विडो रीमैरिज एक्ट हम देखने वाले हैं। द हिंदू विडो रीमैरिज एक्ट 1856 लीगलाइज्ड द रीमैरिज ऑफ हिंदू विडोज on 16th July 1856. The act was enacted on 26th July 1856. The introduction of Widow Remarriage Act was a major change in the state of women that prevailed during that period. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar played a major role in the establishment of the act. Before this act, the sati custom was also abolished by Lord William Bentinck. This act also provided protection and aimed at safeguarding the condition of men who married widows. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was one of the important social reforms towards the empowerment of women. तो ये आज का हमारा मॉक 2 था JKAS प्रीलिम्स 2025 का जो हम मार्क कर रहे हैं। आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और शेयर करो।